Retirement is supposed to be a reward, the finish line, the moment you finally get to rest. But for many people, something unexpected happens. The routine disappears, the phone stops ringing, and suddenly the structure that held your days together is gone. Not because you did anything wrong, not because you failed, not because work gave you more income. It gives your identity, purpose, connection, a reason to get up in the morning. And when that disappears overnight, it can feel unsettling, even frightening. Some people feel lost, some feel invisible, some wondered quietly, who am I now? This is the downside of retirement nobody talks about. Not boredom, not finances, but the emotional shift, the identity shift. The truth is, retirement is not the end of usefulness. It is the beginning of reinvention. You don't lose your value when you retire. You gain the freedom to use it differently. But that transition takes intention. So, if retirement feels harder than you expected, you are not alone, you are not broken, you are in transition. And transitions, when handled well, become new beginnings. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com.